What's up, people? Welcome to another vlog of Adash Automotives. Well, today we have the SXR 160, the Aprilia SXR 160, and I'll tell you the external bits and its styling, and we'll hit the roads and find out how does this perform. Starting from the front, well, first it's a fact that it's a maxi scooter now with the same 160 displacement engine, and we get all LED unit at the front with the DRLs at the side. Well, let me just turn it on. So this is a complete LED unit, and we get the indicators as well are integrated with the headlamp. Well, it's at the side and looks pretty neat and clean. And there are three color variants. This is the red one. We have a blue and a matte black. So when we come, and here's the instrument cluster. It's big enough. It's actually bigger in its segment, and we have RPM running all over above the speed in a semicircle manner. And at the left we have a fuel meter, and above we have we can toggle through the menu. We get two modes. This is the battery voltage. This is the average fuel economy, trip A and trip B. Yeah, so that's what we get. And there's time, and there's total odo and the coolant temperature here. So you can toggle through the clock and other settings with the buttons below it. And coming at the handlebar, we have power. We have the start stop button, the mode, and horn switch. There's indicator and the high beam, low beam. So it does miss out on the kill switch, and also it should have gotten the Bluetooth considering the price point. And I'll talk about the price in a bit, but let's look at the boot and how does this look from the rear. Well, here as well we get all LED units and a big grab rail running all over the back, and the tire size is also 12 inches, well, from its sibling which has 14-inch wheels, but this one gets 12-inch mag wheels here. And this is the same engine which we see on its sibling, the SR 160. It's a 160cc displacement and produces a max horsepower of 10.8, and the torque output is also 10.8. We get the same foot pegs here. Well, a few of the bits are carried forward, but entirely a new design element which we see here. We get storage here, and we can access the storage by just press of this button and it opens up. So the pockets are clean and big and neatly cut out, so you can put this back. There's a hook as well, carrying hook. And looking at the boot, we get the size of the boot is decent enough. It occupies a full size helmet, I suppose, and there's a light as well. The seat is neat and clean. It is wide enough and occupies pillion as well as the rider comfortably. So, well, into our Indian market, this is the second maxi scooter that we get. The first is obviously the Bergman 125, and there are mixed feelings about this. Well, it has more efficiency, more space and more comfort, but the looks are subjective. A few might like, and a few may dislike, but Aprilia have gone ahead and made this thing a whole lot sharper than the SR 160, and this has the distinct RS design, the three headlights and a high beam at the center. So yeah, let's find out how does this perform on the road. So, and I'll talk about the other things. Let's get on the road.
So we are on the road and let's begin. First, cranking it up right away. You, Amin, going hard on the gas. So first things first, what I noticed is the performance, the power. It isn't aggressive as compared to the SR 160. It is very linear, and the RPM right here, it's pointing at, say, it's at 5200 RPM, so that's the max. It isn't going above, but I guess it should go above after a few kilometers, after clocking a few kilometers. But yeah, what you notice is it's very linear. There isn't tap on power. It comes slowly at its own time, and at no point of time you can get scared. And according to me, it's okay considering the design elements and the purpose of this scooter. It's a maxi scooter after all. So, and the posture, I'm sitting very upright and I have ample of leg room, as you can see here. So in terms of comfort and space, it serves the purpose very well. And so the posture is good. I like the posture. The seats are good. I can play around, I can move a bit, and the pillion also has enough space. And there's big grab rail as compared to the SR 160. So yeah, this does get the single channel ABS, and it's a much needed tech actually. I've got this bike out here on the country roads because to test all of its ability, the handling and as well as the suspension, because it is supposed to be a little softer than the SR, and also must handle well, handle better actually, and it does. As you can see here, the handling is superb. I can maneuver it at ease, and yeah, you can play around it in city and commute at decent speeds. So until now, nothing to complain about. But I wish it would have got the Bluetooth connectivity as well as a kill switch. That makes it much more accessible, and other scooters are actually getting the tech, the kill switch and the Bluetooth connectivity. Consider the Ntorq or the Bergman or even the Access. So Aprilia should have done that. And yeah, the tires are V-rubber. It's a 12-inch, so the tires have always been good. They're soft and a little softer than the conventional ones, so it grips the road pretty well. And yeah, the brakes are good. They offer good initial bite as well as the stopping power is adequate. So here we have a small stretch. I'll show you how does this catch speed. So it's a little slope. So yeah, here we go. you saw, the speeds climb linearly, and the top speed might be somewhere close to 100 or 110, I suppose. Well, so yeah, that's about it. I thank Cosmic INC for sending me this maxi scooter, the SXR160, for a review. And yeah, thanks for watching. If you have any queries or inquiries, do not forget to hit them up. The link and the contact is in the description portion below. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.